First of all, I want to state unequivocally that the government that I lead is a government that sees as its fundamental objective the advocacy for children, providing services for children in education and in health in the most comprehensive way possible. All my political life, I have fought for children with special needs in whatever capacity I've served in, and I don't intend to change now. And when I was First Minister for Education back in 1998, I introduced groundbreaking change to education services for children with special needs, and in particular children with autism. Because hard to credit, back in 1998, children with autism they weren't even recognised as being a specific educational category deserving of specific educational supports. We changed that. I led that change, providing pupil-teacher ratios for the first time for all children with special needs, and specifically for children with autism in respect of the special classes, in terms of one teacher, two special needs assistants for every 6 children, providing supports in the mainstream classes for children with autism, and providing support for children with autism in special classes.